I think it's time to build a fire and make some lunch. Bought this on our last trip to Japan. It's my first time trying it out. It works pretty good for taking limbs off trees. We're gonna make fire with a piece of flint rock and steel. Gonna catch a spark with the charred linen cloth. Got a piece of shredded up jute here. There we go. It's getting really toasty in here with that fire. This enclosed space captures the heat really well. We got some boiling bag rice we're gonna put in there. Got a nice chunk of pork side right here. Got a bag of empanadas here. There we go, pretty simple meal. Fried pork side, hot tortillas, salted rice, and a little bit of green pepper hot sauce.